Hello friends, this is Prerna Rao, a student of MSc 3rd SEM, Government Autonomous PG College, Chinwada. We are discussing about NMR spectroscopy. In the previous video, we have already discussed about basic concepts of NMR. In today's video, we will be discussing about interaction between nuclear spin and magnetic field. To understand the concept of interaction between nuclear spin and magnetic field more clearly, I would be suggesting you to go and watch the previous video of basic concepts of NMR to understand it. Now with the little glimpse of previous video, as we have discussed that nucleus do spin and has magnetism, and that is due to both protons and neutrons present inside it. And protons and neutrons have charges due to the presence of up and down quarks in some ratio inside them. Before moving further in the topic, we need to understand some basic terms, that is precision or gyration, what is Larmor precision or Larmor frequency, what is electron resonance. हम सब ने बचपन में स्पिनिंग टॉप खेले हैं. सो इफ यू माइट रिमेंबर, वो पहले कैसे घूमते हैं और जब वो गिरने वाला होता है तब कैसे घूमने लगता है. तो उस स्पिनिंग टॉप से ही हम न्यूक्लियस को रिलेट कर गायरेशन एंड प्रिसिशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. गायरेशन, जब स्पिनिंग टॉप उसकी रोटेशन एक्सिस एकदम डिफाइंड होती है और वो उसी फिक्स्ड एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन के अराउंड रोटेट करता है, उसे ही हम गायरेशन कहते हैं. जैसा कि आप स्लाइड में देख सकते हैं, द एक्ट ऑफ टर्निंग और व्हर्लिंग as around a fixed center and a circular or spiral motion about an axis is known as gyration. और वो जब बाद में थोड़ा डगमगा कर गिरने वाला होता है, स्पिन करने लगता है, जब उसकी रोटेशन एक्सिस कंटिन्यूसली चेंज होती रहती है, उसे हम प्रिसिशन कहते हैं. द स्लो एंड कंटिन्यूस चेंज ऑफ एक्सिस ड्यू टू टॉर्क एक्टिंग ऑन इट, और precision is a change in the orientation of the rotational axis of a rotating body. As we can see in the image, the orbit of precision of nucleus is not coinciding with the rotational axis of the nucleus. The frequency with which the nucleus presses is known as Larmor frequency of the nucleus. Larmor frequency is defined as the number of revolutions per second made by the magnetic moment of the nucleus around the external field. Here, average velocity of gyration is directly proportional to applied force and is inversely proportional to angular momentum of spinning body. To derive Larmor frequency, omega is equals to gamma upon h0, where omega is angular precessional frequency, h0 is applied magnetic field. We name this equation as equation number 1. Gamma is equals to 2 pi nu upon hi, where capital I is angular spin quantum number and small h is Planck's constant. We will be naming this equation as equation number 2. Gamma h0 is equals to 2 pi nu, where nu is our precessional frequency of the nucleus. From equation number 1 and equation number 3, we derive omega is equals to 2 pi nu, which gives us the value of angular precessional velocity. These two highlighted equations, will be very helpful for our further studies. Nuclear resonance. In NMR, a strong magnetic field is applied, causing the nuclei to precess. The spelling written over here is wrong. It is precess. Radiation of energy comparable to E is then imposed with a radio frequency source. When the applied frequency from the radio frequency source becomes equal to the Larmor frequency or angular frequency of precision, the two are said to be in resonance. न्यूक्लियस जिस फ्रीक्वेंसी लार्मर फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ प्रेसिस कर रहा है, वो एनर्जी और जो अप्लाइड रेडिएशन है उस पर, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी आपस में मैच कर जाती है. उस कंडीशन को हम न्यूक्लियर रेजोनेंस कहते हैं. If a nucleus is placed in a magnetic field and starts processing at a certain Larmor frequency, and at certain radio wave region the nuclei gets energy and transmits from one energy state to other, and the transition is called flipping of nucleus. So as the nucleus gets frequency in resonance with the Larmor frequency of nucleus, it gets flipped in direction opposite to the magnetic field, also known as transition from lower energy state to higher energy state, or from alpha state to beta state. इन शॉर्ट, किसी भी न्यूक्लियाई को जब हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखते हैं तो वो उस अप्लाइड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में खुद को अलाइन करने की कोशिश करता है, और तब वो लोअर एनर्जी स्टेट में से उस पर रेडिएशन एमिट करना स्टार्ट करने पर जब उसके लार्मर फ्रीक्वेंसी के रेजोनेंस की रेडिएशन मिलेगी तब वो फ्लिप करके मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जाने की कोशिश करता है, जिसे हम हायर एनर्जी स्टेट या बीटा स्टेट कहते हैं। एंड इस प्रोसेस को ट्रांजिशन या फ्लिपिंग ऑफ न्यूक्लियस कहा जाता है। Here precisional frequency is equals to gamma h naught upon 2 pi, where capital H naught is the applied external magnetic field. So we can clearly see that Larmor frequency of the nucleus is directly proportional to the applied magnetic field on the nucleus. लेकिन न्यूक्लियाई जो है वो विद द फील्ड और अगेंस्ट द फील्ड के अलावा भी पॉसिबल ओरिएंटेशंस में अलाइन हो सकता है, और उसका फॉर्मूला होता है 2i+1, where capital I is the spin quantum number of the nuclei, and this number of possible orientations or is known as spin multiplicity of the nuclei. Now we will learn the different orientations, that is 2i+1 orientations for different values of I. Keep in mind that capital I is spin quantum number of nucleus. So when the value of I is 0, the value of 2i+1 is equals to 1. That is, there is only single possible orientation of nuclei with value of I equals to 0. When the value of I is 1/2, the possible orientations are 2. Similarly, when for various value of I, there are certain different values for 2i+1. The possible orientations when I is equals to 3/2 is 4, for 1 is 3, and similarly for 2 is 5. In this slide we can see when nuclei is placed inside a magnetic field, it gets different possible orientations and their corresponding energy level diagrams. In the energy level diagram, positive sign will be indicating low energy state or with the field, and negative sign will be indicating the higher energy state or against the field. The energy level is from positive I to negative I and has transition except at I is equals to 0, since it is NMR inactive nuclei. होप कि यहाँ तक के टॉपिक आपको समझ में आया होगा। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम पॉपुलेशन ऑफ एनर्जी लेवल को डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू। प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑटोनॉमस अकेडमी।